Welcome to the latest edition of Career Videos by the Knowledge Academy. Our today's video is about the top 7 Agile tools in the year 2023. Consider subscribing to our YouTube channel and enabling that bell icon next to it so that you would never miss out on any of the informative content that we put out. So without further ado, let's take a look at the agenda for this video. Initially, we will be going through the Trello, then Wrike, Jira, Planbox, Monday.com, Axosoft, Zoho Projects. Tool 1. Trello. Trello is an extremely popular option in the project management industry. It is recognized for being visually beautiful and entertaining using cards, lists, and boards. Trello is a well-known project management and organization application that millions of people use worldwide because it is easy, free, flexible, and visual. Key features are: you begin by organizing and making lists for all your tasks. Then, you can add your tasks to the appropriate list. Next, use the notification feature to keep track of any tasks-related activity, such as comments, deadlines, and checklists. Additionally, Trello offers powerful features including a calendar view of the tasks, task voting, and automatic obliteration of irrelevant tasks from the view. Now let us see the benefits of it. When you open your board, all the project's information is visible to you, including the deadlines and team's comments. If you are inexperienced with the foundation of the project management software or unclear of how to build up a board, Trello offers a free inspirational templates created by other managers and CEOs, as well as simple how-to guidelines to help you get started. Additionally, they often publish helpful blog pieces on subjects like management, working from home, and productivity advices. You may keep using the effective tools you currently have thanks to app integrations known as power-ups. Tool 2. Wrike is a flexible project management and cloud-based collaboration platform. With its powerful application, any businesses may improve team cooperation and communication. It was created by Wrike Incorporation, a California-based project management company. Wrike is a fantastic choice if you're seeking software that will work well with the other storage or calendar programs like Dropbox or iCal. Project management and collaboration are the two main feature categories that represent the Wrike. Project management tools enables teams to manage tasks and resources, keep track of deadlines and dependencies, and monitor in time. In addition to the workload view, the NAT chart, it also features a sortable view with the customizable data storage. The collaboration tools let teams create assets, communicate, and make decisions. You are able to track and alter their modifications. You can communicate and navigate swiftly on the Wrike. Projects, due dates, and timetables can be all tracked. Set priorities for your work and collaborate with other multifunctional teams. Benefits: free from the group of 5 members. Following languages are supported: English, French, German, Spanish, Italian, Russian, Japanese, and Portuguese. Tool 3. The demand for the Jira project management software has increased alongside the development teams because it is the best task management tools for Agile project management. The key features being, this Agile project technique tool software facilitates the creation of Scrum or Kanban boards. Jira's templates maintains an efficient workflow by using the best configuration, allows for the beginning of a task and tracking it till it is finished. There are more than 20 built-in templates available. It's the perfect option for companies that are already using Jira softwares. The benefits being, the Jira software supports with easily developed cumulative flow diagrams, burn-down charts for Agile boards, and time estimation features. Provides an integration reports and roadmap creation that makes it easier to track and manage all Agile software projects with just one tool. Tool 4. Planbox. Except for some individuals who enjoy the run, everyone likes to know how far they are from the finish line, but tracking sprints is essential to an Agile project. Utilizing its burn-down charts, Planbox does this Everyone will be aware of how close you are to the finishing. Planbox is valuable for various users due to its user feedback, bug reports, and updates integration. The excellent evaluation options in this Agile solution allows for even more extensive sprint retrospectives. Key features being the ETAs for the prioritizing backlog items, collaborate on a project with outsiders, extensive analytics, cross-platform compatibility is provided by the Planbox Work Management API. Benefits being, due to its high degree configurability, Agile teams can make adjustments to make it fit their particular set of requirements. Reviewing the status and areas where improvement is required is simple because of advanced reporting options. Tool 5. With the use of the Monday.com's drag-and-drop technology, leaders have the freedom to create the ideal tool for their staff to use. Its digital calendar makes it easier to manage personal and professional activities with reminders and alarms. Key features being, Monday.com offers outstanding workflow optimization, tuning options, and lets you add notes for future references and even reminders. It gives you the advantage of connecting with other companies in the sector for the project collaboration. It offers the timeline tracking and Kanban boards. The benefits being, it aids in organizing ideas and portfolios, keeping track of time and expenses, and tracking the statuses of the specific activities. Furthermore, it has built-in templates too. Tool 6. Agile project management tool called Axosoft makes advantage of the Scrum framework. Teams can make use of the interface to make plans, map out the steps of the processes, and work well together to identify and resolve problems as they arise. Emails are converted into support tickets by the help desk function. Customers can share and request feedbacks directly from the team through their portals. This open dialogue can make the clients feel included to the process while saving your team members a lot of time. Key features being, customer interaction is supported by a client portal, monitors times, costs, expenses, and milestones, tools for collaboration, progress tracking with the NAT diagrams, user-friendly board interfaces, features for managing resources, portfolios, and budgets. Support for classic or agile approaches is flexible. Team wiki or information exchange, help desk or tracking of incidents. Final and the 7th tool. Currently, one of the project management solutions with the finest value is the Zoho Projects. Its key features being, this Agile tool offers team communication, project timekeeping, timesheet styles, and custom fields in addition to being simple to use. In addition to issue monitoring and project time tracking, it supports comprehensive configuration. Its benefits being, with the use of the Zoho project, it is possible to keep track of the employees' locations as well as their abilities and current availability. It is preferred choice for the startups with the most budgets who wants to expand quickly.